First of all, let me show you in this kind of system. Fabric will be the Georgette, range will be the 285 ranges only. Germany, Mauritius or Malaysia, many of our customers from abroad, they are also come and visit our company and purchasing n number of varieties and collections, particularly in ladies wear category. The 345 rupees only, 6 meter approx length you will be get. On that approx length you will be get all the items will be very beautiful concepts in each of our variety also. Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna coming with a newly arrived beautiful one of the collections in our print sections. Either it be in print, talking about the fabric or concepts and designs. I'll give you in some beautiful design names, like many of the concepts like in chiffon, Georgette or 3D patta, or many of the concepts in brasso also. Or many of the southern region of India particularly prefer those concepts which are in the Poonam saree concepts, or many of the uniform saree concepts. They are very much prefer on that kind of particular regional area of South India. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showcasing you some newly arrived, or randomly I'm showcasing you whatever the item you will be interested, or any of your item, or you will be get selected, then please call the screen available number and take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number, whatever the concepts you may like. First of all, let me show you in this kind of system. Fabric will be the Georgette, range will be the 285 ranges only. Many of our customers in our comment sections, they are continuously saying that please mention the range also along with the product. So for them, I mentioning all the ranges, these kind of very beautiful concepts in the fabric of Georgette, and some beautifully flowery digitally work you will be getting these kind of concepts also. Let me remind you guys, single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise. In each set, either it will be the concepts and set of 4 pieces or 8 pieces or 5 or 6, many of them. But it's a reminder that you have to purchase in a set wise. See, in this kind of fabric, 6 meter approx length you will be get. These are the 3 colors in which you will be get at the same designs, but the color shades will be the different. Along with one single photo will be there, which will give you complete idea that how may it gonna be look in this kind of concept. Next one, in this kind of variety, many of the concepts we are have n number of varieties in the fabric of Georgette. Ranges will be also same. For them, I'm just gonna showing only the concepts and designs, not gonna be open for this because the fabric will be the same. Just I'm gonna open these kind of sarees for showing you the only the concepts and designs only. See, in this kind of beautifully particular designs you will be getting here only. Apart from that, if you may like this kind of very beautifully weightless 3D satin patta 5-star, range will be the 345 rupees only, 6 meter approx length you will be get. On that approx length you will be get all the items will be very beautiful concepts in each of our variety also. Next one, in this kind of concepts also. See, fabric you will get this kind of very beautiful concepts. I'm continuously repeating those words like please take the screenshot any of your interested concepts or any of your interested design and send it to the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular video call facility also. If you are interested to visit, then please most welcome. Many of our customers from abroad, or like Germany, Mauritius or Malaysia, many of our customers from abroad, they are also come and visit our company and purchasing n number of varieties and collections, particularly in ladies wear category. In this video, all the collections I'm gonna show in this video, like many of the print collections also. Apart from that, we have 20 to 25 different ladies wear category at under one roof only. So guys, if you are interested, then please come and visit, and you no need to go 10 to 15 different shops. So just visit once upon a time our Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, in this video that's all. If you are new, then press the subscribe button. Give your beautiful precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment sections. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.